Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. If you are looking for a modern and latest consumer things, then keep your worries aside because you are in the right place. Here we present the best and the latest gadget of this year. Today I am going to make a video on best self-cleaning cat litter box at an affordable price of 2023. If you really liked the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the product links are given. Product 1, Tonepi 65L Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box. Tonepi 65L Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box is a cutting-edge solution for cat owners seeking a hassle-free and hygienic way to manage their pets' litter needs. This innovative self-cleaning litter box is designed to make the task of maintaining a clean and odor-free environment for your feline companion as effortless as possible. Any of the standout features of the Tonepi 65L Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box is its fully enclosed design. This enclosure helps contain odors and prevents litter scatter, keeping your living space clean and fresh. The privacy and seclusion it offers to your cat can also be appreciated, as many cats prefer a quiet private space to do their business. The automated self-cleaning mechanism is a significant advantage of this litter box. Product 2, Product name CatLink Self-Cleaning Automatic Litter Box. CatLink Self-Cleaning Automatic Litter Box is an innovative and convenient solution for cat owners looking to simplify the chore of maintaining their pet's litter box. This advanced litter box is designed for cats weighing between 3.3 to 22 pounds and comes equipped with a range of smart features. Any of the standout features of the CatLink self-cleaning litter box is its automatic self-cleaning mechanism. This feature eliminates the need for cat owners to manually scoop and clean the litter box regularly. The device's robotic system takes care of this task, making it a hassle-free option for those with busy schedules or those who want to minimize contact with cat waste. The litter box also features a semi-closed design, which can help contain odors and keep the litter area cleaner. The double odor control system further enhances the ability to maintain a fresh and odor-free environment for both you and your cat. Any of the standout features of this product is the compatibility with a smartphone app, allowing cat owners to remotely monitor and control the litter box. This app control feature enables users to schedule cleaning cycles, adjust settings, and receive alerts when the litter box needs attention. Overall, the CatLink self-cleaning automatic litter box offers a convenient and hygienic solution for cat owners, making the task of litter box maintenance easier and more efficient. The combination of self-cleaning technology, odor control, and app-based control makes it a smart choice for those seeking a more automated and user-friendly solution for their cat's litter box needs. Product 3, Product name Automatic T Pro Smart Cat Litter Box. The Automatic T Pro Smart Cat Litter Box is an advanced and innovative solution for cat owners seeking a more convenient and hygienic way to manage their pet's litter box. This self-cleaning litter box offers several features that make it stand out in the market. Self-cleaning mechanism. The T Pro Smart Cat Litter Box is equipped with an automated self-cleaning mechanism. This feature helps in the regular removal of waste and clumps from the litter, ensuring a clean and fresh environment for your feline friend. This can save cat owners a lot of time and effort, as they no longer need to manually scoop and clean the litter box. Large capacity. With a generous 65-liter capacity, this litter box can accommodate multiple cats or provide an extended period of use before requiring a refill. This makes it suitable for households with multiple cats or for those who prefer less frequent maintenance. App control. One of the standout features of this cat litter box is its app control capability. Smartphone. Ionic deodorizer. The T Pro Smart Cat Litter Box includes an ionic deodorizer. This feature helps neutralize odors, ensuring that your home remains fresh and odor-free, even in close proximity to the litter box. In summary, the Automatic T Pro Smart Cat Litter Box offers a high-tech solution to cat owners looking to simplify the task of maintaining their cat's litter box. With its self-cleaning mechanism, app control, large capacity, and deodorizing feature, it aims to enhance the Product 4, Product name Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is a modern innovation designed to make the lives of cat owners easier and more convenient. This innovative product, such as the Tonepi Automatic Toilet for Cats, represents a significant advancement in pet care technology. It provides a hassle-free solution for maintaining your cat's litter box, ensuring that it remains clean and odor-free. Key features of a self-cleaning cat litter box typically include automated cleaning. Self-cleaning cat litter boxes are equipped with sensors and mechanisms that automatically detect when a cat has used the litter box. After your cat has finished their business and left the box, the device activates a cleaning cycle to remove waste and clumps, ensuring that the litter remains fresh. App control. Many self-cleaning cat litter boxes can be controlled through a smartphone app, like the app control feature mentioned in the Tonepi product. This allows pet owners to schedule cleaning cycles, monitor the litter box's status remotely, and receive alerts quickly. Efficient. They use low-voltage systems to power the cleaning process, keeping your cat safe from electrical hazards. Splash Sandbox. A Splash Sandbox feature, often integrated into self-cleaning litter boxes, helps contain any scattered litter and waste, keeping your cat's environment clean and tidy. Odor control. Many self-cleaning litter boxes incorporate odor control mechanisms, such as carbon filters or sealed compartments, to minimize unpleasant smells. Cat health monitoring. Some advanced models may include features for monitoring your cat's health, like tracking their litter box habits and alerting you to Product 5 Product Name MZXM Pet Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The MZXM Pet Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is a cutting-edge and innovative solution for cat owners seeking a hassle-free and efficient way to manage their feline companions' litter box needs. This automatic litter box is equipped with several advanced features that make it stand out in the world of cat care. One of the standout features of the MZXM Pet Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is its automated self-cleaning mechanism. This means that cat owners no longer have to manually scoop out clumps of soiled litter, as the litter box takes care of it on its own. This not only saves time and effort, but also ensures that the litter box remains cleaner and more hygienic for both the cat and the owner. Additionally, the MZXM Pet Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box offers the convenience of app control. Through a dedicated smartphone application, cat owners can remotely monitor and manage the litter box. This feature provides real-time information about the box's status, making it easier to ensure that the cat's needs are always met. The litter box's extra-large size is particularly beneficial for households with multiple cats. It can accommodate the needs of several cats, reducing the number of litter boxes required and streamlining the cleanup process. Another significant advantage of this self-cleaning cat litter box is its odorless design. Advanced odor control technology ensures that unpleasant smells are effectively neutralized, creating a more pleasant living environment for both the cats and their owners. In summary, the MZXM Pet Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is a smart and convenient solution for cat owners who want to simplify the task of maintaining their cat's litter boxes. With its self-cleaning mechanism, app control, extra-large capacity, and odor control features, it offers a comprehensive and modern approach to cat litter box management, making it an excellent choice for.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.